I've got a question for you. In the middle of a very serious drought, where some people have hosepipe bans and we've had quite significant wildfires, where most of this river is nothing more than a trickle, how is it that I'm standing in a pool which is in danger of going over the top of my wellies? And why would I be doing so? This pool is not an accident. It's been made, and it's been made with this mass of mud and sticks and branches here. This is a beaver dam. The beavers have dammed this area here to keep the water in this pool so that they have access to it, because for beavers water is security. They feel safe in water, they're free from predation, and also when there's more water it gives them access to their food, the bark that they chew of the trees that live on the edge of the water. But of course this isn't just for beavers. The fact that this water has remained here in a drought means that it's fantastic for fish, obviously. There's just a trickle here, there's plenty of water here. All of those other invertebrates that live in here, things like dragonfly larvae, damselfly larvae, all the pond skaters that are on the top of it, and if necessary, anything that's coming here to bathe and feed. This is eco-engineering in action. The beavers have made something which is better for biodiversity. And this is what Ecotalk is all about. Giving nature the opportunity to repair and restore itself. And if you do, this is what you get.